In this short video, we'll look at an application built with VANTIQ, the application platform for building event-driven applications. While this application focuses on a utilities use case for monitoring and scheduling service on transformers, the use cases for which VANTIQ is applicable are numerous. Here, in the application's UI, we see a view of all crews known to the system. We can use a filter to look at just logged-in crews who can be dispatched to a transformer's location for service. Next, we'll take a look at our transformers and show those transformers that are in closest proximity to our current location. With the transformers filtered, I can see some simple information about the transformers in my immediate vicinity, such as which ones are newer and smart transformers, or which are older and have been affixed with a smart collar, a way to make the existing infrastructure smart without the expense of full replacement. We can drill down to show more detail for a specific transformer and preview time series data generated over a window of time to calculate a rise in the current. In VANTIQ, these mobile and web experiences are created with the Client Builder, a development canvas that allows drag-and-drop editing of the elements to be seen on the web and mobile devices. But the real power behind VANTIQ is the modeling environment that abstracts and makes easy a reactive platform for building event-driven applications by sitting at the intersection of streaming sources, people, and systems. This unique architecture and approach not only provides the ability to correlate streams of data, but to create real-time human-to-system collaborations. Here, in the project, we see all the VANTIQ components pertaining to this part of the application, which deals with scheduling crews for repair or replacement of an existing transformer. In the resource graph, by subscribing to the topic that messages arrive on, we can view the incoming data stream. And here, in a visual rule, we process the incoming data stream to predict those transformers that are at risk of failing. When the criteria is matched, we begin a real-time human and system collaboration where common activity patterns are used to create complex event-based behaviors with little or no code, like escalating issues when a time period has passed, or using the built-in recommendation engine to find available crews based on their proximity to the transformer's location. Mobile notifications relay information from mobile devices back to the platform to communicate up-to-the-moment data which can be correlated and integrated. Here, we are connecting to an external API, Google, to get the closest physical address of the transformer to provide to the assigned technician. And once a field crew is assigned, their location is tracked in real time and displayed back in our client dashboard. But what about delivering and maintaining the application? Many applications, like energy and utilities, may span huge territories and be deployed across hundreds of environments, both in the cloud and on nodes that could be on the edge. VANTIQ gives you simple abstractions for delivering all of your software assets to wherever they need to go. With a configuration, you can define all of the parts of your project that make up the application. The constraint defines an abstraction so developers don't need to focus on the physical topology and can use a simple notation to determine where the application components need to be delivered. Deployment of the artifacts is dynamic, and your applications don't need to be taken offline for the change to propagate. Because the architecture of VANTIQ is federated, it's just as easy to run queries or perform actions against specific nodes or collections of them. Here, the process by statement filters the list of transformers to those managed in this current namespace. And here, the process by statement filters the list of transformers to all transformers across all regions by executing the queries and procedures on each node tagged with the constraint. All of this and much more is wrapped up in a platform that provides the ability to augment existing applications, create new applications, and maintain them with a secure platform that's designed from the ground up for these collaborative, event-based, real-time applications. What will you create with VANTIQ?